Hey guys, welcome back to Pro Gun. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd greatly appreciate that. Today, I have a great everyday carry knife to show you guys, and this is the Kershaw Leek. And this has been around a long time, still in production. I just got this for myself for Father's Day, and I love this knife. This thing is awesome. It's got stainless steel handle, surgical steel blade, and I love this flipper auto assist. It just opens quickly and very smooth. It's got a 3-inch blade, and it is 4 inches closed, and it is 7 inches overall length, and it just fits perfectly in the hand. It's got a great lockup, and the clip in the back here is also made out of stainless steel, and it's reversible. You can take this and swap it out and put it here so that you can either use the clip this way or this way. And I was looking for another everyday carry because as much as I love my Buck Selkirk, it's just very big and bulky. There's no clip on it, so it's always moving around in my pocket, where this one has a nice clip to it. This is extremely sharp right out of the box. Razor sharp. I mean, you could literally shave with this knife. And the best part about it is that it's made in the USA with a lifetime warranty. I got this on a Father's Day sale for about $70, and it's well worth $70 for a knife that's going to last you forever, and made in the USA on top of that. So if you're looking for a great everyday quality knife that you can count on, reputable company, lifetime warranty, made in the USA, you may want to give this a look and some consideration. This is the Kershaw Leek. It's been around a long time. There's a reason they still make it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.